Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, I want to invite you to one of our training workshops, and this one's going to be on moisture detection and investigation. Inspections of properties that are water damaged, whether it's thermography, whether it's using video scopes, and it's full moisture detection. So this is going to enable you can actually bring your own equipment if you'd like, and also we're going to be demonstrating a lot of our Restore Solutions equipment there for you to have a look at. So it's going to be some knowledge of moisture detection, as well as thermography, as well as understanding video scopes. We're going to be doing that. It's between 1 and 5 o'clock. So we're going to be doing that at the Coach 8 Flood House, so it's hands-on. So we're doing a couple of hours theory, we have afternoon tea, we're a couple of hours hands-on practical. So it's really getting in there and understanding how do you get the best out of your instruments. And then we're going to be, having pizza afterwards and networking and so forth. So it's an unbelievable deal, $99 per person, and you get a $99 voucher off the instruments at Restore Solutions. So you can't get better than that. So come check it out. It's going to be fantastic. So book online, and we can't wait to see you there. We think it's going to be a fantastic event at the best venue in Australia. So come and learn hands-on moisture detection and how to understand your instruments better. Can't wait to see you there.